Hi guys, welcome to my garden. This is a cement brick garden. Using the cement bricks has been an endeavor for me that I started 6 years ago. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give you a little tour of the garden, show you what configurations and sizes you can make with these bricks that work. We'll talk about the benefits of using cement bricks, and then I'll also show you something that can go wrong with a garden bed that I have. I'm Diana, this is Selena, and she may accompany us on our tour through the garden. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the beds. And here's Shy Boy rolling on the ground. I have been raising various types of vegetables in these beds very successfully. And it is October at the time of this filming, so some of the beds are already empty or half empty, or here there are some bell pepper plants that are squished down looking. But we are here to talk about the beds, not about the prettiness of my vegetables. So the number one reason, of course, why I find these cement brick beds absolutely awesome, and this has to do with the durability. Obviously, they last basically forever. I have not put any bonding cement or anything in between. These blocks are so heavy, they are just sitting on each other, and I have had no problem with them really falling apart, only in one place on one bed where the ground has settled so tremendously that there was some shifting going on, but on everywhere else it's fine. And so the argument I was told why I should put bonding cement in between them, and I'm glad I did not follow this. And you can see also they are stacked offset. That gives them stability as well. The argument was that in the winter it rains heavily and freezes. The soil with all that water in there will expand and push outward and will push my bricks down. I have not ever experienced this. I will never put bonding cement in between them, because the other benefit not to do that is if you ever for some reason don't want your garden beds anymore, you want them in a different place or whatever, these bricks are completely intact. All you have to do is wash them off and they're like new. And that's awesome. With wooden garden beds, of course, you have rotting of the wood. If you use screws, they start popping out as the wood tries to bend and warp and shrink and whatnot and expand again. None of that is the case with the cement bricks. And also, I think they're more cost effective for that very reason. The holes in the cement bricks on the top, they can be used to plant things in them. I have just one level high cement with my strawberries, and then here we have some strawberries in there. Another wonderful reason for using bricks is they are like Lego for adult garden freaks, because you can configure them into any size. Here I have a massively long garden bed. It's 3 high. Somehow it's sunk a little bit into the ground. My garden is somewhat sloped this way. Here you can really see it's 3 high. On the other side it's a little bit buried in the ground. So this is a very long bed, 3 high. Then I have a single high, very long one for tomato plants. I have over here a square bed, and then on the other side a somewhat longer one. You can make any shape you want, which is really also wonderfully creative, I think. Here I experimented with setting one brick in so it stuck out, and I use it to hold my garden stakes. So you can play with this, you can get a little bit artsy. These are very low ones because there are bushes in there. And then I have also, this is now not really a garden bed idea, but I'll show you real quick. I made some benches, recycled some wooden planks, and then I made a little bit of a pond with it too. So let's cross over here. With the cement bricks, because of their weight, you really do not need any bonding cement. You just stack them on top of each other and let the weight take care of itself. I'm going to show you where I am having a problem with them not wanting to stay stacked almost. Although nothing has ever yet fallen down, there's a unique spot here where the ground has settled so severely. See how this is trying to topple apart? But mind you, it's been 6 years and it has not actually fallen. I keep pushing the top bricks back on a little bit, but this is really unusual, and I wanted to show you this because my garden is not by any means perfect. So this is a little bit of an issue that could happen. If this was aesthetically the problem, I would have to take it down and fix the ground underneath, because the problem really originates from down there. But this is under the worst circumstances, I think. Now, I often get asked, what do I fill these beds with? It would cost an absolute fortune to fill all these big beds with soil from a nursery. I made a separate video about how to cheaply and effectively fill these beds, and you can find the link in the description box.